Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for registering microfinance company in Karnataka. The link which I have highlighted now is also provided in the description below. If you click on that, this official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If you click on that, the list of language options for this procedure will be shown. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. Once you choose a particular language, this entire procedure will be changed into that language. This procedure can either be registered online, applied online, or applied in person. For applying online, the applicant will have to click on the link over here. It will lead to the online application page. If you are a registered user, you can click on the sign in sign up. If you are a registered user, you can enter your user ID and password. Click on login for V2 or V3 filing. If you are a new user, click on register option over here. First, you'll have to select the user category, user role, income tax, PAN, which is the PAN number. Click on next. On the next section, you'll have to provide personal details, whichever is required, and click on next. And on the next page, you'll have to provide contact details like email ID, phone number, fax number, etc., address, etc. You'll have to click on next. Finally, you'll have to enter the login details, which is the username and password you'll be using for logging in, and click on submit. Once it is done, you can use the login credentials for logging in. Right after logging in, you'll have to click on the MCA services menu and select SPICE plus option under the company services session. Now select new application option to reach the SPICE plus part A page. Applicant must select section 8 company option from the drop down list against type of company and enter all the necessary details there. Also upload digital copies of needed documents which are requested in the prompted space and click on auto check button to see whether the details are provided properly. Then click on the save button for getting a message that SPICE plus part A is saved successfully, and now click on submit button. The applicant will be led to a new page. There, if the name allocation is not done previously, use the submit for name reservation button for getting name allotted, then proceed. Click on the proceed for incorporation button to get the SPICE plus part B page. Enter all the necessary details in that page and click on save and continue button. Then you'll be led to the subscriber and director details. Enter the necessary details there too. Click on save and proceed for reaching the next page. And on the next page, you'll have to select add or edit option provided under the D particular of individual option to get the respective page for adding details. Once you add necessary details there, click on the continue button for getting back to the online applying page. There use the other add or edit button to complete the page requirements and click on continue button. Now fill details in the stamp duty page and click on save and continue button for reaching to the next page, which is the PAN or TAN information page. Provide your PAN or TAN information and click on save and continue, which will then reach to the attachments page. Click on choose file button and add the desired documents there. Then click on save and proceed. Now the applicant will reach Agile Pro page and click on the Save and next button after entering all the details for Agile Pro. Next, click continue to add the details for directors as per the prompt and click on Save and Next button to reach attachment page for Agile Pro. You can use the Choose File button against the respective attachment required for uploading the file. Once the files are attached, click on the Save and Next button to reach the declaration page. Once you have checked everything in the declaration page, click on Prescreenity button to get the Prescreenity successful message. Now click on Submit button. Then a pop-up will be provided. Read that and click on OK button. Then the applicant will be led back to the dashboard where under the file applicants, you'll have to you can see the list of documents whichever you have provided details to. Now click on download to download the document. You can also print it out for any reference purposes. Now you'll have to attach digital signature. Add the digital signature where it is required and use MCA services. Then click on upload e-form option under e-filing session, and under the normal forms option use the browser button to select the digital signature added documents one by one. Once the documents are added, click on upload button. Right after the upload is successful, you'll be led to the fee for services page, which will be the final stage of this procedure. Click on pay fee now by selecting the respective payment gateway. Then the payment will be submitted and click on the I accept button. Thus, once the payment is made, this application will be submitted successfully and a notification will be sent to your SMS or email. You can use it also for future references, and the certificate will be provided via post. For applying in person, the applicant will have to reach out to the respective office as mentioned under the office location and contact section of this page, which is registrar of companies. The contact link over here will lead to the contact page where you can choose the regional office addresses by selecting your region under the Karnataka. Under the required document section, you can find the documents needed for this procedure, which are completed application form, copy of PAN of all the promoters or directors or promoters residence proof, ID proof, photograph of all directors or promoters, proof of ownership of registered office or rental agreement, NOC from the owner, applicable stamp duty, document evidencing payment of fee if any, copy of memorandum of association and articles of association, no objection letters from directors or promoters, Aadhaar card of directors or promoters. Other documents will be drafted by the professional. As per the eligibility, minimum 2 people are needed for registration of Section 8 company. The person is eligible to register a firm or company in India if they are an Indian origin, NRI, PIO, or OCI, with a proposal to offer unsecured loan of 50,000 rupees to small business and loan up to 1.25 lakh to dwelling residents. It should be a non-profitable organization. As per the fee will be given separately for each procedure. The fee link over here will have the detail of fee for the this procedure. The fee detail is provided over here. You can check with it. As per the validity, The incorporation will be valid for forever until the government makes any changes. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any queries regarding this procedure, drop your queries down in the comment section below. Thank you.